Hey everyone, so we're going to continue our talk on square roots. So yesterday you should have made out a list of perfect squares from 1 to 144. And it should have looked something like this. The square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 144 is 12. And the reason why I had you list all of these out was because today we are going to estimate square roots. So if we have something like the square root of 41, that doesn't fall anywhere in these perfect squares. So what we do is we use these perfect squares to estimate. So if I look at my square root of 41, it's going to fall between 6 and 7. So I know that my number is between 6 and 7. So the next part is we need to estimate the decimal. So if I list these numbers, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need to look for the middle of these numbers because that's going to be the middle decimal. So I can kind of check them off as I go. So right there is our middle. But I want this number right here. So this middle is like 0.5. And then I just kind of base my decimal off of that. I know that my square root of 41 is going to be less than 0.5, and it's pretty close to that line, so I'm going to say 6.4. That is my estimate. And then what we can do is we can use our calculators to double check. If you would like. You don't have to because I'll be grading these, but you can check yourself. So if I do my square root of 41, our decimal is 6.40. I'm only concerned right now that you can get it close to this first decimal place. So let's try another one and walk through these steps. So let's say I want to estimate the square root of 18. So if I look at my roots, I need to find the 2 on either side of 18. Well, that's right here, between 16 and 25. So that means I must be 4 point something. So we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And again, we're going to find our middle because that's our 0.5. So our middle is right there. We want the number that's actually kind of in the middle of the middle. So half of 0.5 is actually 0.25. So I'm actually going to call it 4.25. I would be fine with 4.2 or 4.3. And if we check our square root of 18, let's see how we do. 4.24. Pretty close. So I have a couple of questions just like this on your homework that I want you to give a try to, and let me know if you have any questions.